Hello there everyone. Growing a mailing list is an essential part of online marketing, and the Facebook Ads platform provides you with a lead generation solution that is right for any budget. Today we're going to show you how to easily set up an email lead generation campaign on Facebook, step by step. Creating the campaign. To create a lead generation campaign on Facebook, you need to start on the Ads Manager. To access the Ads Manager, go to www.facebook.com/adsmanager/creation on your browser while logged into your Facebook account. Once in the campaign objective selection screen, select Lead Generation as your marketing objective. When you select Lead Generation as your marketing objective, Facebook will optimize your campaign to drive more sales leads, such as email addresses, from people interested in your brand or business. Now enter a name for your new lead generation campaign in the Campaign Name field, click on Set Up Ad Account, select your account country, currency, time zone, and then click on Continue. Creating the ad set. Now it is time to create the ad set for this campaign. Enter a name for your new ad set in the Ad Set Name field. Now choose the Facebook page that you want to promote in the Pages section. If you're setting up a lead generation campaign with your selected page for the first time, you have to accept Facebook's lead ads terms. Now scroll down to set up your audience. First, select your locations. Now select age, gender, and languages. Now select a detailed targeting. Then select placements. Now select your budget type, enter your ad spend, and select your schedule. Click on Continue to move to the next step. Creating the ad. Now it is time to create the ad. First, enter a name for your new ad in the Ad Name field. Now select your ad format. In this example, we'll select the single image or video format to upload the cover of our lead magnet. To upload this cover, we'll just have to click on Upload Image to upload the image from our computer. Now scroll down to the Text section. Enter your ad copy in the Text field and your ad headline in the Headline field. Now enter a brief description of your landing page in the Newsfeed Link Description field and select a Call to Action button. Adding a lead gen form to the ad. You have to add a lead gen form to your ad manually. Scroll down to the Instant Form section and click on New Form. Start by editing the name of your new lead gen form. Now edit the content in your form. First, select a form type. There are two form types available. More volume forms will allow you to use a form that is quick to fill and submit on mobile devices. Higher intent forms will allow you to use forms that add a review step that gives leads a chance to confirm their info. Higher intent forms are similar to double opt-ins. In this example, we are going to select a more volume form. Now add and edit the intro. Adding an intro is optional, but if you do, you'll be able to add a headline and layout text to your sign-up form. In this example, we are going to add an intro. Let's start by adding the headline in the Headline field. Now select the intro image. You can select to use the image from your ad or to use uploaded image. In this example, we are going to use the image from our ad. On Layout, you can describe your offer. This is a required field. You can use a paragraph layout or a bullets layout. On the Questions section, you can customize the headline above the required fields and to select what information you ask leads for before they sign up. You can also request additional information by clicking on Add Custom Question. On the Privacy Policy section, you will be required to provide a link to your company's privacy policy page. You will simply have to paste your website's privacy policy page URL in the Link URL field and to enter a display link text such as Our Privacy Policy in the Link Text field. You can also add a custom disclaimer by checking the Add Custom Disclaimer box. Adding a custom disclaimer also allows you to add a consent checkbox to ask people to agree to your disclaimer. Lastly, on the Thank You screen section, you will be able to customize the Thank You page leads will see after submitting their info. Now click on the Settings tab. Start on Form Configuration. First, choose a form language. Now choose a sharing option. The sharing options available are Restricted and Open. Restricted sharing will allow you to only let people who have delivered your ad directly to submit your form. Open sharing will allow you to let anyone share and submit your form. In the Field IDs section, you can customize the required form fields with your own text. You can click on Finish after you customize your new lead gen form. Your new lead generation ad is ready, and you just have to click on Confirm to get it approved and running. Thank you for watching.